Take a moment to pause and breathe. In a world that can sometimes feel uncertain and overwhelming, this is your space to find calm and inner balance. These affirmations are here to help you release fear, quiet your mind, and reconnect with the deep peace that already exists within you. Find a comfortable position, take a slow, deep breath, and allow these words to gently guide you into a state of peace. I am safe in this moment, and I breathe deeply into calmness. I am safe in this moment, and I breathe deeply into calmness. I allow stillness to fill every part of my being. I allow stillness to fill every part of my being. I inhale peace and exhale worry. I inhale peace and exhale worry. I release what I cannot control and focus on what I can. I release what I cannot control and focus on what I can. I surrender completely, trusting the universe to guide me. I surrender completely, trusting the universe to guide me. My spirit remains unshaken, even amidst uncertainty. My spirit remains unshaken, even amidst uncertainty. Every breath I take renews my energy and resilience. Every breath I take renews my energy and resilience. My heart is open, and I cultivate understanding and empathy. My heart is open, and I cultivate understanding and empathy. Peace begins with me, and it spreads through my thoughts and actions. Peace begins with me, and it spreads through my thoughts and actions. I am in harmony with myself and the world around me. I am in harmony with myself and the world around me. I am a vessel of serenity, love, and resilience. I am a vessel of serenity, love, and resilience. Light surrounds me, protecting my thoughts and energy. Light surrounds me, protecting my thoughts and energy. I am protected, and I trust life's natural flow. I am protected, and I trust life's natural flow. My home and my heart are my sanctuary of peace. My home and my heart are my sanctuary of peace. I am anchored in the present, not in fear of the unknown. I am anchored in the present, not in fear of the unknown. My mind is clear, and my thoughts are gentle and kind. My mind is clear, and my thoughts are gentle and kind. Calmness is my natural state, and I return to it effortlessly. Calmness is my natural state, and I return to it effortlessly. I choose clarity over chaos, light over darkness. I choose clarity over chaos, light over darkness. I send love and compassion to myself and to all affected. I send love and compassion to myself and to all affected. I trust my ability to navigate difficult situations. I trust my ability to navigate difficult situations. I release anger and replace it with gentle acceptance. I release anger and replace it with gentle acceptance. I choose kindness even in moments of fear. I choose kindness even in moments of fear. I release tension, fear, and anxiety from my body and mind. I release tension, fear, and anxiety from my body and mind. Each day, I let go of worry and embrace hope. Each day, I let go of worry and embrace hope. I forgive myself and others for past struggles, bringing peace to my heart. I forgive myself and others for past struggles, bringing peace to my heart. I radiate calm, and it returns to me multiplied. I radiate calm, and it returns to me multiplied. My inner peace is unshakable, no matter external circumstances. My inner peace is unshakable, no matter external circumstances.